Alright, this I have to read with my reading glasses. Kuch kuch hota hai K3G. K3G. What jhumka? Jhumka gira re. Always the original. Jhumka gira re. Directing or producing? Directing, and directing, then producing. Favorite Bollywood film of all time? Kabhi Kabhi. High energy dance number or dreamy romantic song sequence? You know the answer to that. Dreamy romantic song sequence, of course. Romance or comedy? Romance. Love over anything. Anything. Your most challenging film? My Name is Khan. Your most word used these days? Obvio or Gen Z lingo? I love the, everything that is made a short form of. Like, I love using IYK, YK. These were easy. Now, let's see if you have tougher ones for me.